हेलो नॉलेज सीकर्स, वेलकम टू द करंट नॉलेज चैनल। मैं जिनल आज आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगी 7 मई से जुड़े करंट अफेयर्स के पॉइंट। सभी पॉइंट्स की पीडीएफ फाइल आप हमारी वेबसाइट से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। वेबसाइट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है। सो लेट्स बिगिन विद क्वेश्चन 1। व्हेन विल वर्ल्ड पासवर्ड डे बी सेलिब्रेटेड दिस ईयर? इस वर्ष वर्ल्ड पासवर्ड डे कब मनाया जाएगा? ऑप्शंस आर ए 7th में, बी 8th में, सी 9th में, डी 10th में। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए 7th में।
Each year on first Thursday in May, World Password Day promotes better password habits. Passwords are critical gatekeepers to our digital identities, allowing us to access online shopping, dating, banking, social media, private work, and live communications.
Question 2. Recently, Dalit Ejilamalai has passed away. Who has he related to? हाल ही में दलित एजिलामलाई का निधन हुआ है। वो किससे संबंधित है? ऑप्शंस आर ए सिंगिंग, बी पॉलिटिक्स, सी बॉलीवुड, डी स्पोर्ट्स। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी पॉलिटिक्स।
Former Union Minister Dalit as the Malai passed away. He was the leader of Patali Makal Kachi Party, reserved as Union Minister of State for Health, Family Welfare during the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government in 1998-99. He was elected to the 12th Lok Sabha from, from Chidambaram, Tamil Nadu. He participated in Indo-Pak War of 1971 as a military officer. Apart from this, he was also awarded the Sainik Seva Medal.
Question 3. Who has developed ultraviolet disinflex tower? अल्ट्रावायलेट डिसइंफेक्शन टावर किसने विकसित किया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए आईसीएमआर, बी डीआरडीओ, सी आईएसआरओ, डी दिल्ली पुलिस। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी डीआरडीओ।
The UV disinflecting tower has been developed by Laser Science and Technology Center, the prestigious laboratory of the Defense Research and Development Organization. The UV disinfection tower has been developed for quick and chemical-free disinfection of heavily infected areas.
क्वेश्चन 4. हु हैज स्टार्टेड द समुद्रा सेतु कैंपेन? समुद्र सेतु अभियान किसने शुरू किया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए इंडियन आर्मी, बी इंडियन नेवी, सी इंडियन एयरफोर्स, डी डीआरडीओ। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी इंडियन नेवी।
A new expedition called Samudra Setu has been launched by Indian Navy. Samudra Setu means sea bridge. The operation has been started as an attempt to bring back the Indian trapped abroad during the COVID-19 epidemic. The entire operation is being conducted in close consideration with the Ministry of Defense, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Health, and various agencies of the Government of India and the state governments.
Question 5. How long is the Badminton World Championship 2020 postponed? बैडमिंटन वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप 2020 को कितने साल तक स्थगित किया गया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए 1 ईयर, बी 2 ईयर्स, थ्री सी 3 ईयर्स, डी 4 ईयर्स। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए 1 ईयर।
The Badminton World Championship 2020 to be held this year has been postponed until next year. The tournament is held every year mostly in August but will now be held from November 29 to December 5th. This World Championship will be held at Carolina Marine Stadium in Huawei, Spain. Most of the tournaments suspended were qualifiers for the Tokyo Olympics. The championship is organized by the Badminton World Federation and the Spanish Badminton Federation.
Question 6. Who was recently awarded the commemorative वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकेंड मेडल बाय रशिया? हाल ही में रूस द्वारा द्वितीय विश्व युद्ध के पदक से किसे सम्मानित किया गया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए नरेंद्र मोदी, बी किम जॉन यूएन, सी शिंजो अबे, डी मून जाए इन. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी किम जोंग अन.
North Korean leader Kim Jong-un was awarded the commemorative World War II medal by Russian President Vladimir Putin. Kim Jong-un was honored with the medal for preserving the memories of Soviet Union soldiers who died in the North Korean territory during the war.
Question 7. Former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mahmood Mufti's PSA detention has been extended for how many months? पूर्व जम्मू कश्मीर की मुख्यमंत्री महबूबा मुफ्ती के पीएसए को कितने महीनों के लिए बढ़ा दिया गया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए 3 months, बी 2 months, C 6 months, D 4 months. And the correct answer is option A 3 months.
Former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti preventive detention under Public Safety Act was extended for another 3 months before it was due to expire on May 5, 2020. The detention of two other leaders, Ali Mohammad Sagar and Sartaj Madani, has also been extended for 3 months.
Question 8. The Central Trade Union have sought how much monthly cash support from the Center for Needy Households? केंद्रीय ट्रेड यूनियनों ने मांग की है कि जरूरतमंद परिवारों के लिए केंद्र से मासिक नगद सहायता कितनी है? ऑप्शंस आर ए 5,000 rupees, B 3,000 rupees, C 6,000 rupees, D 7,500 rupees. And the correct answer is option D rupees 7,500. Question 9. Which state government has extended the lockdown till May 29? किस राज्य सरकार ने 29 मई तक लॉकडाउन बढ़ाया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए पंजाब, बी तेलंगाना, सी उड़ीसा, डी महाराष्ट्र. And the correct answer is option B Telangana.
The Telangana Chief Minister on May 5, 2020 announced that lockdown will be extended in the state till May 29. K. Chandrasekhar Rao informed that the night curfew from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. will continue in the state during the period.
Question 10. Which country has claimed to develop the first potential vaccine candidate that neutralized the virus in human cells? किस देश ने मानव कोशिकाओं में वायरस को बेअसर करने वाला पहले संभावित वैक्सीन उम्मीदवार को विकसित करने का दावा किया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए जर्मनी, बी जापान, सी इटली, डी इजराइल. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी इटली.
Italian researchers claim to have developed a potential coronavirus vaccine that neutralizes the virus in human cells for the first time. An Italian firm, Takis, is developing the vaccine.
Question 11. Which state government has launched Ayush Kavach app? किस राज्य सरकार ने आयुष कवच ऐप लॉन्च किया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए महाराष्ट्र, बी झारखंड, C. Rajasthan, D. Uttar Pradesh. And the correct answer is option D. Uttar Pradesh.
The Uttar Pradesh state government launched the Ayush Kavach app on May 5, 2020. The Ayush Kavach app aims to help people boost their immunity against the coronavirus by providing relevant tips and facts from Ayurveda.
Question 12. When is the last date for filing annual GST return for fiscal year 2018-2019? वित्तीय वर्ष 2018-2019 के लिए वार्षिक जीएसटी रिटर्न दाखिल करने की अंतिम तिथि कब तक है? ऑप्शंस आर ए 30th September 2020, बी 30th June 2020, सी 31st July 2020, option D 1st August 2020. And the correct answer is option A 30th September 2020. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you and bye bye.